Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create social media videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and decide what type of content you want to create. Think about your platform, your audience, and the main idea of the video. Now write a clear prompt describing the scene you want. Include the main subject, action, environment, lighting, and camera movement. For example, you could create a short fashion scene, product showcase, travel clip, or an engaging visual story. If you already have an image, you can also use the image-to-video workflow to add movement to it. Upload your image and describe how you want the subject or camera to move. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. When the video is ready, preview it carefully. Make sure the main subject looks consistent, the movement is smooth, and the scene matches your original idea. If the result isn't right, improve the prompt and generate another version. Try different camera movements, visual styles, and scene descriptions until you find a result that works well for your content. Once you're satisfied, save the video and continue editing it if needed. You can add captions, music, logos, or other elements before publishing it on your preferred social media platform. And that's how you can create social media videos with Hailuo AI. Keep your ideas clear.